Hi everybody, very good afternoon. Welcome to our channel by name STOCKMARKETWAY. In this video, we'll be discussing about the market movements that all happened on today, that is on Monday, 20th of December 2021. As everybody has seen, there is a very big bloodbath happening on stock exchanges, NSE and BSE, both the things. But today, first we'll start with the banknifty. Since from last 2 days or even 3 days, if you consider 16th, 17th and 20, all 3 days very big rally happened. That is from 37 to 50. The bank nifty price is now like touched 34 to 50. That is already, we could see here 34 123. That is the low made today, as no market is already in progress. I will zoom the chart. There was a 1000 points rally happened on Friday. Same thing continued today also, that is on Monday, with a gap up of almost 500 points. We'll see one by one the real numbers. Previous closure was 35,750 approximately, and the opening itself, it is 35,300, but it was not sustained at 35,300, but it came down very quickly. So that is nothing but 35 from 35,000 the rally started to the 34,000. It has not reached still, but 34 123 you can mention. You consider intraday approximately 1000 points rally happened, but you cannot catch the first candle. You can start from the second candle onwards. If you consider 35,000 is the strike price, so if you could enter from there, you can get very decent amount of profits. Okay, this is the scenario. Coming to the intraday buyers, so as for the low capital traders, if you are very good in option chain data, or else if you are not good also, that's okay. We provide the complete option chain data prior to market open itself. That is in our website called stockmarketway.com. You can go and refer and add those strike prices to the your watch list. You make one separate group called C and one more group called P. Those respect to C side, you can add those strike prices, and in the P subcategory you can add all the P strike prices. And based on the trend creation in the market, so as soon as the market opens at 9:15, you can pick the strike prices in the P side based on your risk and reward, or else we can consider the current future price itself as the strike price for the entry to be done on market opening timings. Let us consider 35,000 P. Let us open the option chain data. 35,000 P is the right side chart. Let me open that. 35,000 P, this is the chart. If you could see here, 20th of December, the market opening itself, the big candle, single candle, it has opened here. So the opening itself was 300, but even if you entry is done very quickly also, you won't get that 300 price, because if I zoom the chart here, if I make it high here, see, it has opened at almost at 450 or even 400. You can consider, even if you want to enter here, you will get next candle at around 400 to 500, 450 to 500 rupees. So but from there, even if you could make a huge money, that is approximately 860 or even 850 also initially, but from there again it came down till sideways will be there always, and from there again it went from 11 o'clock, still it made a high rally up to 1000 rupees. That is, even if you entry at 500 rupees, you can book at approximately 1000 rupees. 1033 is the high made, but from there again it is coming down. That is, now it has reached at 660 or 700 rupees approximately. If your entry is made at 500, you will get a very ample amount of time, that is 800 rupees you can exist 800 or even 850 also you can exist. So in this way, this is the option strike price. But if you are option seller with very big capital, then in that case you can select 35,000 CE. 35,000 CE, very good strike price at that moment of time. If we could enter at by selecting the second candle, that is approximately around 400 or even 380 or whatever, 390 rupees. If you make an entry, then you will get candles here up to 100 rupees. This is a low main, that is 7,500 is the capital, sorry, profit can be made. But the main factor here is we should have a minimum of 10 lakhs of capital in this scenario. Coming to the Nifty, also followed the same thing here. Nifty, so it is opened up the gap up of approximately, what was the opening here? Yeah, 17,023 to 16,000, yeah, approximately 170 points, 170 points gap down, and then it followed a complete down rally. Totally it has made a low of approximately what I can say, exactly 500 points down. So even the same thing applies. You need to refer option chain data if you want to enter as option buyer. But see everything is falling down. Banknifty, Nifty, everything is falling down. But if you consider cipla, that is pharma sector, see there is no sign of selling here itself. No, all indicators, everything is in uptrend. So if you are thinking Sensex and stocks into consider, see 35,000 is 35 points it has made high, that is nothing but 650 is the lot size. So thinking, so this might come down also by thinking Friday's rally. If you consider Friday's rally and if you enter, if you keep stock cipla as in selling mode, then it is not acceptable, because here see it's completely in uptrend only, there is no sign of downtrend here. So always stocks you should be very careful while entering the and then existing. See tatasteel, that is cipla is a very specific stock, that is pharma stock, so always it will not be relying on Sensex, it is will always be vice versa. But if you consider the tatasteel also, it's quite well and good. tatasteel is also having 425 is the lot size. It has made 60 points down from the top, that is previous closure, that is complete down rally happened. So here and there see 10 points, 20 points reversal happened here in intraday, and then from there again it started giving from 11,100 to again it made 40 points downside. 40 points, 40 into 425, 4 into 4, it is somewhere around 425 into 70,000 rupees profit in single lot. So this and all needs very big capital if you are doing in intraday or whatever positional trade. Yeah, coming to the third stock, that is HDFC. It has also followed completely the bank nifty itself. HDFC, it's always quietly gives a good profit in decent profits in intraday. 40 points easily you can capture even if you enter after the second candle also, that is from 2590. From 2590 approximately it made up to 2511, that is 80 points down rally. So 80 points in HDFC is not a small volume. 300 into 80 is 24,000, it can easily capture. So from here, see there is no sign of a positive trend here, only exactly after 11 o'clock, sorry 1 o'clock it has given the reversal. Even if you enter the reversal of the trend also, here you can capture almost around another 25 to 30 points here. So in this way you should always keep booking the profits and then exist the trade. Don't ever rely on anybody tips and providers, always rely on only chart, then do the bookings and enjoy the trades in the stock market. Happy trading. Thank you so much for watching this video.